Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. We'll start the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame. In all the time frame analysis, I'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels. Please use these levels as a reference for entering and exiting on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. Here I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, we already know that the current price action is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern. The lower side retracement narrower and narrower, and on the bullish side resistance side also is becoming narrower, and current price action is trading within this symmetric triangle pattern, and trading ranges are becoming narrower and narrower. Soon we can expect a directional breakout in this currency pair. And within this symmetric triangle pattern, I have drawn a channel pattern which is showing a bullish trend. It has gone down, tested this support level, then the price action has gone up, tested this resistance level which is between 1834 and 1828, then the retracement happened. Again next time when it tested, again it couldn't break this resistance level and retraced only to the next level of support, which was around 1812. Again it started its bullish trend, but the third time you can see that it has broken this resistance area and it is in a bullish trend. And as I had already highlighted in my yesterday's video, you can see that the price action has tested this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern and it is in a retracement. And even if the price action retraces, it has to break this resistance or support area to actually continue its bearish trend. But overall when we look at the price action, it is trading within a bullish channel pattern and it is in a retracement. So we can expect the price action to break this support level. If it breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be the previous support level, which is going to be around 1812. But still overall when we look at the price action, it is in a bullish trend. It can break this support level or it can take support on this support area and continue its bullish trend. As long as this price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern in daily time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. So these are all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame, and previously it has gone to the level of 1868. If the price action continues to trade within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect it to break this resistance level and also continue its bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. Currently the price action has taken resistance at the trend line of the bullish channel pattern. Even if the price action managed to break this resistance line, we have the next resistance line symmetric triangle pattern running over here. So it has to break this resistance line also. But currently it has taken resistance and it is in a retracement to test this support level of 1834 and 1827. So when we draw a trend line and check the current price action trend, you can notice that the price action has taken support on this trend line and it has gone on a bullish trend and it has bounced back from this channel pattern resistance line. I am expecting it to retrace up to this support line or the trend line, then to bounce back. So as long as this trend line is holding, you can expect the bullish trend to continue. Once it breaks this trend line, you can expect a further fall in this currency pair and taking support on the support level of 1812. So overall the price action is still trading within a bullish channel pattern, so we can expect the bullish trend to continue even though it is looking bearish for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 4 hours time frame. So the values marked in the yellow color are the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame. Currently price action is in a retracement. I am expecting it to take support on this support level of 1834, then bounce back, form similar pattern like this, form a double top pattern, then a final retracement to this support level of 1812. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. As we already know from the daily time frame, the current price action is trading within a bullish channel pattern. Within this bullish channel pattern, the price has broken this resistance level of 1834 and 1827, but after breaking, it couldn't continue its bullish trend and took resistance on this bullish channel pattern of the daily time frame, and it is in a retracement. I am expecting it to retrace up to the support level of 1834 and 1827 and retest on this bullish channel pattern resistance line. But overall, when we look at the market, it was on a very nice bullish trend. So if the price action managed to break this support level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair and take support on this bullish trend and a trend reversal to happen. Let us draw the support and resistance levels. The values marked in the red color are the resistance and support levels in hourly time frame. Currently, the price action is in a retracement to test this support level of 1834, but we have a strong support line or the trend line running over here. We can expect the price action to come here, test the support line and a trend reversal to happen on the bullish side. So within this channel pattern, the current price action is looking very bullish. Currently it is in a retracement. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. We have a very strong support from the higher time frame supporting the market from falling down, and currently the price action was on a downtrend and took support on this 1834 level and went on a bullish side. But on the bullish side also we have a very strong resistance level from the bullish channel pattern. So again it is on a retracement. So current price action is trading within this resistance and support level of bullish channel pattern from daily time frame and strong support level from the daily time frame. It has to break this level to actually go on a bearish side trades. Let us wait and see if it manages to break this support level. But you can also notice that it is sort of forming a double top pattern, so we can expect a retracement to happen in this currency pair. If it breaks this support level, we can expect a retracement up to the level of 1812. Currently the price action is consolidating within this area. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support level for the current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a very nice downtrend. I am expecting it to retrace up to this support level of 1834, then a bounce back to happen. As long as these support levels are holding, we can expect a range bound market to continue. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. Here when we notice the price action, from here the bullish trend started and it tried several times to break this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. It couldn't succeed in breaking it, so it is on a retracement. You can draw trend lines like this, and whenever the price action breaks this trend line, you can go on a bullish side trade, because currently when we notice the price action, it is trading within this support level and the resistance line from the daily time frame. It is a range bound market when we look at the price action from the 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has retraced up to the level of 1837 and it is on a retracement to test this resistance line or the trend line. Wait for it to break this resistance line. You can go on a bullish side trade. If the price action bounces back from this resistance line, you can go on a bearish side trade. So currently when we look at the price action, it is consolidating within this support line of 1834 and the trend line. Soon we can expect a directional movement on the bullish side or on the bearish side. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button to show your support and share this video with your friends.